Hey there, hygiene enthusiasts. Today I'm revealing my top hygiene hacks to keep you feeling fresh, confident and healthy. Let's dive right in. First up, hair care. To remove product buildup and excess oil, try a clarifying shampoo or an apple cider vinegar rinse. Detox your hair with a mask every 2 weeks and use a scalp massager to boost growth. Don't forget to clean your hairbrush regularly, and for those with dry scalp issues, an anti-dandruff serum works wonders, especially in winter. Now onto skincare. Acne isn't always caused by dirt hormones, genetics, stress, diet, and sleep play big roles too. Look for key ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. I personally recommend the Ordinary Duo, and remember, weekly exfoliation is a must to keep your skin glowing. Next, let's talk internal health and body odor. Did you know your internal health affects your external odor? Drink chlorophyll water to reduce odor and support your liver. Aim for at least 10 cups of water daily and try cranberry juice for UTI prevention and immune support. Just watch the sugar. Probiotics and prebiotics like Ritual Symbiotic can do wonders for your gut health, which in turn affects your overall well-being. Stress less, eat a balanced diet rich in protein, carbs, fruits and veggies, and you'll feel the difference. For oral care, flossing is just as crucial as brushing. Use an electric toothbrush and make sure you're brushing for 2 minutes, getting those gums and the roof of your mouth. Tongue scraping is a game changer too. And if you haven't tried oil pulling with coconut oil, give it a go. It's great for whitening and gum health. Ladies, let's normalize vaginal odor. It's totally natural. Causes can range from pH imbalances to infections. Rinse with unscented gentle soap and avoid harsh products. No douching, it's not necessary. Opt for breathable cotton underwear to stay fresh. For body care, use a loofah for exfoliation, and don't forget those often missed areas like your belly button and behind the ears. If you struggle with body bumps or texture, a bump eraser can help. And a shea butter body scrub will leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Shaving tips. For a closer shave, use a Q-tip for those hard-to-reach spots and glycolic acid to prevent ingrown hairs. If you suffer from hyperhidrosis, it can be a real confidence killer. Try natural aluminium-free deodorants or cream formulas for longer-lasting protection. Lastly, let's talk perfume. For longer-lasting scent, apply perfume on top of a layer of Vaseline. Find a fragrance that you love and feel confident wearing. Remember, hygiene is all about what makes you feel good. Don't seek external validation. Prioritize your own needs and stay fresh and fabulous. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy.